Hi. So recently, someone from my family happened to be in the hospital, and it was a very serious case. And I just learned a lot of lessons from this because I have seen people having surgeries and have heard about them, but then when you personally go to the hospital and you see all of these cases happening wherein a person is being taken on the bed, wherein that person is a heart patient and the heart is absolutely throbbing, and that person is struggling for breath, the doctor is trying its best. Just the bed just went into the cardiac care unit, and inside what happened I am not sure. Just after an hour that bed came out and it was covered saying that the patient was dead. So, and there were all other cases as well wherein there were severe surgeries happening, be it a heart surgery, be it any kind of stomach infection. There are a lot of cases which are happening, and I noticed that one of the most important thing which we may not take it seriously is our diet, because things are really getting artificial now, because each and every food we eat is processed, right from the grains, from the vegetables. This was told by the doctor who had come there. Right from the grains, from the vegetables. Now talking about the packed food, oh, that is the source of artificial things you can talk about. There's nothing natural there. Minimum amount of natural ingredients are being put in. There are a lot of chemicals. So things really get worse, and you cannot even find out till the time it has reached a certain level wherein it is hurting you in the stomach or in that particular region, because that initial hit, when it starts, you will not be able to identify, and when it gets extreme, the person has to go through a lot of pain. इंजेक्शंस आईवी ये सब तो है ही, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट एक्सटर्नली बिफोर द सर्जरी, आफ्टर द सर्जरी, देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच अ पेशेंट गोज थ्रू, विच इज़ नॉट ईजी टू सी एंड इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. तो इसमें द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्ट विच आई नोटिस्ड, विच वी कैन कंट्रोल पर्सनली, इज़ द एक्सरसाइज पार्ट and the diet part. Avoiding the outside food or maybe the junk food is the most crucial and critical thing we could do. I'm not telling that you should stop it, but then find kind of substitute so that you can actually eat healthy and not feel sick, because you have to take care of your body, because you have to stay with that for your entire life. So absolutely, the packed food or the junk food is the most extreme, but apart from that, extreme sugar, extreme oil, and extreme salt, these three extremes are very much harmful for your body. And I personally am not a doctor, but then these basic things are very, very crucial and important, because patients are getting cancer and all of these big diseases, and it is being identified after a very long time. Like maybe a year, that tumor was not identified inside the stomach or inside that particular place. But then after it happens, you have to deal with it. It may be malicious, it may not be, but then you have to deal with it. You have to go through the operations, and after the operation, the patient has to be even more careful. Maybe a diabetic patient, sweets and everything is far more higher in terms of restrictions. तो उससे बेटर है कि हम पहले ही रिस्ट्रिक्ट करें.